Are you in the market for a new bike suspension forks, but not sure where to start? Look no further, because this video offers valuable insights into the best bike suspension forks on the market. After extensive research, we compiled a list of recommended products from trusted brands, so you can make an informed choice. To access details about the price and more, refer to my description. Let's proceed with the video promptly. Number 1. RockShox Fork 30 Silver TK. Are you a mountain biker seeking a high-quality suspension fork that can handle any terrain? Look no further than the RockShox Fork 30 Silver TK Coil 126. This exceptional suspension fork is designed for riders who demand the best in terms of quality and performance. Equipped with a turnkey oil damping system, this fork provides optimal shock absorption, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride on even the roughest terrain. The external reband adjustment and compression lockout features allow for customization to suit individual rider preferences, ensuring maximum control and stability. The 30mm steel upper tubes are durable and can withstand heavy use, while the 4-piece bushing system ensures smooth and consistent performance. With the ability to accommodate tires with a maximum width of 2.4 inches, this fork is perfect for riders seeking a smooth and comfortable ride on rough terrain. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, the RockShox Fork 30 Silver TK Coil 126 is sure to exceed your expectations and enhance your biking experience. Choose this high-performance suspension fork for the ultimate ride. Number 2. Fox 38 Factory Series Suspension Fork. Are you a mountain biker who wants a suspension fork that can tackle the toughest terrains with ease? Look no further than the Fox 38 Factory Series Suspension Fork. This high-performance suspension fork is designed for 29 wheels with 180mm travel, 15 QRX 110mm axle, 44mm offset, and a sleek shiny black finish. Made by Fox, a trusted and renowned brand in the cycling industry, this suspension fork is built to last, providing exceptional quality, durability, and performance. With its impressive travel and offset, the Fox 38 Factory Series suspension fork ensures a smooth and comfortable ride for the rider, even on the roughest terrains. It's the perfect choice for mountain bikers who value quality, durability, and performance, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. With its exceptional design and construction, the Fox 38 Factory Series suspension fork is a must-have for any serious mountain biker. So why wait? Invest in this top-of-the-line suspension fork today and take your biking experience to the next level. Number 3. Fox Racing Shox 36 Flow 27.5 Suspension Fork. If you are in the market for a high-performance suspension fork for your bike, the Fox Racing Shox 36 Flow 27.5 suspension fork is an excellent choice. With its trusted Fox brand and the 36 Factory suspension fork, this top-of-the-line suspension fork delivers excellent performance and quality construction. Built with high-quality materials, the Fox Racing Shox 36 Flow 27.5 suspension fork is durable and long-lasting. It boasts a 160mm travel length and 44mm rake, making it perfect for handling tough terrains with ease. Installation is easy, and once it's set up, you'll notice an immediate difference in your riding experience. The Fox Racing Shox 36 Flow 27.5 suspension fork delivers exceptional performance and ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this suspension fork is an excellent investment that will take your riding experience to the next level. So why wait? Upgrade your bike with the Fox Racing Shox 36 Flow 27.5 suspension fork today and experience the difference for yourself. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.